A hungry giant is eating a cupcake.
A cupcake is being eaten by a hungry giant.
Active voice. The street performer teaches a TikTok dance to a confused dog. Passive voice. A TikTok dance is taught to a confused dog by the street performer. Passive voice 2. A confused dog is taught a TikTok dance by a street performer. The makeup artist makes a makeup to a model. The model gets makeup done.
Scientists suggest that chocolate can make you smart. Suggested that chocolate can make you smart. Chocolate is suggested to make you smart.